Good morning, students. Today we'll do with the same exercises, that exercise 7.2, that is module 2. Last day means last class we have done the ratio proportion chapter. I have told that ratio is not required. We'll do the proportion part that is given in the syllabus. If you want to go through the syllabus more, you go to the ICSE that portal or a council website. You see that there is all written what is coming and what is not coming. Now from here, this question number 20, it is given that x, y, z are in continued. Continued means what? That means that this will be the continuation C written x by y equals to y by z equals to k. Then k means what I have taken as let. Then from here, x equals to yk and y equals to zk I can write down. From here I can again write it down. See, in place of y I can write down zk. I have written zk over here. The final the value of x is coming what? Z equals to x equals to zk square and y equals to zk. Now in that question I have taken the LHS. The LHS is given that this one only I put the value, substitute the value of x and y. X is given what? See, zk square plus zk whole square, and this will be y. In place of y I have written what? Zk plus z whole square. From here I have taken the common. See what I have taken common, z and k I have taken common, and the denominator also have taken the z common. The what is the remaining? K plus 1 and k plus 1 and whole square is the whole square. After cancelling out this one, if I take out from this k from the outside from this bracket, then this coming what? Square. I have written what? K square. And this one also the k plus 1 whole square and divided by k plus 1 whole square. Cancelling out, what is coming? K square. Now in the same thing, the RHS also x by z written. The value of x is what? Z k square. Z is cancelling out, and what is the term? K square. See, both are LHS and RHS are same. Okay, next we come across one more question with these exercises, that is 21 Roman 1. Say this is given continued only. They are given what? ABC. The last question is given XYZ. I have written ABC. Here it is given X A B C. Then A by B equals to B by C equals to K, and B equals to what? CK, and A equals to what will be? In place of A I can write down BK. Then in place of B I have written what? The value of CK. That means C into K will be K, CK square. Now from here I have written the LHS only over here. The same thing what you have done, that is in place of A what is written? CK square plus B value is CK, and here B value is CK plus C. Now taking the common, as C is taken common and K is taken common, what is the remaining? K plus 1. Over here also K plus 1. C and C is cancelling out, and this K plus 1 and K plus 1 also cancelling out. What is the remaining? K. Now from here I can have written in the RHS also a square in bracket b minus c and b square in bracket a minus b, that is given c k square to the power square in bracket what? In place of b what is written? ck minus c, and in place of a I have written what? Ck square minus ck. Then from here what I have taken out the value, I have taken out the value and written what? Taken not the tag, taken the value. I open this bracket at was c square k to the power 4 and ck minus c. What is given? Taken the c common. What is the remaining? K minus 1. Here also c square into k square into in bracket what is given? I can taken the c common and also k common. The ck and what is coming? K minus 1. Cancelling out c and this square is c and c cancelling out. This one is cancelling out. What is the remaining? K to the power 4 and k square into k. That is what we know that the exponent we have done in class 9. This will be what? K to the power 3. Then from here what is coming? See, if I subtract, that will be what? K. Then from here LHS is coming is equals to RHS. I hope you have understood this part. Same from this exercise only I am giving 4 sums. You try in home. Okay. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Goodbye.